Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I am working on some Valentine's boxes here, like little gift boxes that I was making, and I figured I would share this with you guys. It's just something quick and easy to make, and it makes a cute little gift for someone for Valentine's Day, whether it's a neighbor or friend or whatever. It's just something really cute to make. I'm actually using these boxes that I got at the Dollar Tree. They're just simply called Box on the bottom. And that's the SKU number here if anybody is interested in these. This is the round one. Now the ones that I already did here, they are the heart-shaped ones. They're more like this. And I just decorated this up with a bunch of Dollar Tree stuff. For this one I used some of the foam stickers, and this is the Crafters Square stickers that came out now. These are really pretty. They're like little gems with pearls in it, and I just glued those around the edge of that one. And this actually was a Valentine card that I just traced around and cut that out for the top, and that made a cute little box. And then this one, I'm going to put a bow on the one that I'm doing now so I can show you guys how I made this. I put this little bow on top, and this here is actually one of the little rings they have for like the kids' parties and things. They're little plastic rings. And all you do is just take a old pair of scissors or wire cutters or something, and you just clip the little ring part off so it's nice and flat. So I want to put one on this one too. And then on this one I just glued some ribbon around. This is from the Dollar Tree too. I don't know if I have any. Here it is. And this is really pretty. I actually thought it was wired ribbon at first, but it's not. But it has that really pretty shimmer on the edge of it. And now for this one I'm going to be using some of the Christmas stuff that I had left over, the red glitter and this white glittery ribbon. And I'm going to make a bow on top of there like that. And I may stick some of those stickers on. Those are actually the foam stickers. These are from the Dollar Tree. I just picked these up the other day. And it comes with the pink and red hearts, and they're like in, I guess, about 3 different sizes. And you get 60 of them. And it's actually called table scatter, but we're going to use them to decorate. Now you could use like washi tape on these to decorate around the edges. There's all kinds of pretty Valentine washi tape. I have this little guy who's going to go with one of the boxes. I just thought he was cute. He's from the Dollar Tree. They have him in a couple different colors too. And then I have these gem stickers that I use. That's what I put around the top of this one. Also from the Dollar Tree. And on this one that I'm making now, I think I'm going to try these little pearl ones. I haven't used these before. Hopefully they stick as good as the other ones did. But anyway, I took this box and I painted it red. I used the Folk Art, and this is called Imperial Red chalk paint. I love the chalk paint. I only had to do 1 coat. Covered it beautifully. Glitter. I'm still dealing with glitter. That's why I love this chalk paint. It's a very matte finish, so if you wanted it shiny, you would have to maybe put some Mod Podge on it or something to shine it up. Or you can use any other kind of paint you want. You don't necessarily have to use the chalk paint. But I just prefer it because the coverage on it is nice. I never see any like brush strokes or anything. It's just, I just really like the paint. So anyhow, I went ahead and painted that so we didn't have to wait for that to dry. So now on this one, I'm going to put this bow on here first, I think. Now to make the bow, I cut out 6 pieces at 8 inches. I cut out 3 of the red and 3 of the white. Now to make this bow in the center, all I did was fold it, make a little crease so I can see where the line is. And then you're just going to put a little glue there and glue one end down. And then put a little glue on the other side and glue that side down. And you're going to do that with all 6 pieces of your ribbon. And then you'll have a little pile like that. So I don't know, I think I want the red on the top. It really doesn't matter which way you put it together because you can flip it over. So we're going to take all of our little pieces here, and then on the center of this one, put a little bit of glue, and then we're going to make like an X, like that, and try to get them even. And then put another dot of glue there, and put this one across. And then you have this little, the beginning of our bow. So now we're going to take the white one And we're going to put that in between the red ones, like this. And then you just do the same thing. And since we're putting that big heart in the center, it doesn't matter if you put them upside down or if you have the crease, you know, the end of it showing or not, because you're not going to see it. Alright, so that is it. That is how I made that little thing. Now I just need to decide whether I want this on this side or if I want it on this side. And I think I want it on the red side. So I'm going to glue down the back of this right onto the box. Try to get it centered. There, I think that looks pretty good. Just like so. Let me get my thing out of the way here. And then I'm just going to put a big plop of glue right there and just put our little heart right in the center. And there you have a cute little bow on top of your box. Okay, I think that is good. So I want to go around this edge here with the little stickers here. We're going to see how these work. The pink ones are really nice. They stick real well. I've used them on glass. I use them on everything to decorate with, and they just stay so good. And I'm just hoping that these are going to do the same thing. So we're just going to put this right on the edge here. Yes, and these are very sticky as well, so that's great. And you could do it. They have pink, they have, you know, the white pearl stickers too. And I have glue webs everywhere like always. But I wanted to keep this one just red and white. So yeah, these are cute. I like them. And this is something cute you could do with your kids if they have someone special, like a teacher or somebody they'd like to give a little something to for Valentine's Day. This would make a cute little gift. Of course, everybody's got all kinds of little things in their stash for crafting, so you know, you just use your imagination and dig into your stuff and see what looks cute. Oh, that was perfect. That actually, 3 strips of that fit all the way around there. Just nice. Alright, now so we're on here, I'm going to take the white ribbon. Let's see. There really isn't a back of the... You know, it's right here. That's alright. We're going to start in the back here. And I'm just going to glue this right around the edge. And it doesn't take much to hold this stuff on. Now let's see if we can get it even. I did the other one pretty even, came out nice. Doesn't mean that's going to happen again. And my glue dried on me because I'm too slow. I don't know if that's going to look nice because you can actually see the hot glue through this ribbon. Alright, so we're going to scrap this idea. I don't know how it will look with the red around it. Alright, we're going to do something different because I don't like that. And you guys know, I don't edit my videos. If it messes up, well, that's all part of crafting. I wonder how this would look on here. That actually might be cute. I haven't used this on, I used it for the bow on that one, but that actually might be cute. I don't know if we're going to see through that as well. And I don't want to peel this off because I'm afraid I'm going to ruin the paper. So, let me just do one little spot here and see how that's going to work out. Alright, I think this might be better. Alright, we're going to go with this. We'll never tell anybody that it messed up. Yes, that's going to look much better. Really wanted to use the white on here and make it just red and white, but it would not have looked nice, so I'm trying to really go light with the glue. But this will work. Alright, let me cut that off here. It's all part of crafting. Things change. There. Well, that looks pretty. Alright, so that'll look nice on there. And then I might put it around the bottom too. No, I think that'll be too much. Let's see. What else can we do to this thing? This one may just be a simple one because it's not going as planned. And I don't think this will go with it. Nope. So I think we may just stick some of these foam stickers on here and be done with this guy. I just don't want it to look like, I don't want it to be like too much either. And that's the other thing with these boxes. You don't want to put a lot on the inside here stuff because these fit on really tight. So if you do that, you're not going to be able to get your lid on and off nice. Alright, so let's take some of our little gem stickers here. Also, you can use, they have tons and tons of stickers at the Dollar Tree. I also have these. I don't want that on there either. They have some pretty different kinds of stickers. I love these, but it's really not going to go with this now that I have like that burlap on there. So since we have the shiny red up here, I think we'll use the shiny red around the bottom. And get these out. Here, let's get those all out. Now I thought these were adhesive when I first got them, but they are not. So where's the back? We're going to put this big red heart right on the front. And this is going to end up being a more simple looking decorated box. What I'm trying to think of here. And I think we'll put a small one on here. If you wanted to, you could put we could add a little pink one in there, and I think that would look cute too. I'm going to do that. I know there's no other pink in here, but I think that's going to look cute. Kind of layer our hearts here. Yeah. Oh, I do like that. Okay. And I'm going to put another big one in the back. I'll add another pink one to that one. Well, you just gotta use your imagination. You can just do all kinds of stuff with these little boxes. And if you can't find these at the Dollar Tree, I know a lot of people are having trouble finding the Crafter's Square items, but you can also get these boxes at like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and sometimes you can get them for under $1. They're on sale, or if you have a coupon, and you could probably get them for like 75 cents. So, it doesn't have to be from the Dollar Tree. I wish there was smaller pink ones, because I think these would have looked cute on the side too. There. Alright, our little box is done. That is all I'm going to do to this guy. Didn't go as planned, but I still think it turned out great. Now I have my 2 red ones, and I have my pink one here. And this little pink guy is what I'm going to hook with this little monkey on. He has little Velcro hands, so I thought he would be real cute to add on to this as a little gift. Just put his little legs around there. Oops, sit up here. And then he has a little Velcro on his hands that you can just hook right onto his other hand. And there you go. Isn't that a cute little gift for somebody? So that is it. That is all I was working on here today. It's really nice out. It's very, very windy. So I figured I'd stay in and work on some Valentine stuff. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little project, even though it didn't go as planned. But I think it still turned out really cute. I'll see y'all next time, everybody. Have a great day.